Hi, good afternoon WBP stars, welcome to Blueness. And today we're going to present you two dishes, one hot and a cold. I'm Jacqueline, one of the head chef of Blueness.
I'm Thijs, I'm also the head chef in Blueness.
So to start, I have the oyster preparation. It's a Zeeland flat oyster, because now the flat oyster is in season. I'm going to show you one of the classic from us. We have the oyster on the shell. Over here we have also oyster cream with a little bit of dashi. And here we have a pickled mini cucumber with a pickled nashi pear. Shallot rings is also pickled with a little bit of sushi vinegar. A touch of citron pepper. The ceviche is made from cucumber infused with coriander and red onion. We finish with a little bit of the seaweed. And the granite. Granite is with the base of yuzu, mirin, jalapeno. And we serve the dish in a wooden box filled with ice and cold stones. Please.